Today we're packing up and moving, and trust me, this is not a downgrade. We're moving into what might be the most unbelievable condo we've ever lived in here in Bangkok. This place feels like full-on resort living. Massive pools, lush greenery everywhere, nature all around us, but somehow we're still right in the heart of the city. And we're gonna show you everything. The amenities, the apartment, what daily life actually looks like here, and yes, how much it all costs. Because places like this are the reason people fall in love with living abroad. Stick around because what you get for the price at the end honestly surprised even us.
Hello friends, we are going to our new apartment. I'm excited. We're all packed up, ready to go. It's gonna be a little bit of a journey. We're gonna have to walk to Terminal 21, grab some lunch, hop on the BTS, a couple stations down, another little bit of a walk, meet Ping, and hopefully she gives us the keys to our new home, which will fulfill our hearts. Follow along, enjoy the journey. See you at Terminal 21. Our new place is pretty close to where we were, but we have to hop on the lime green BTS to go a little bit southeast. We're going to Punawithi station. Never been there. It costs 50 Thai baht to get there from Terminal 21. So let's go get it. We made it to our spot, 14-minute walk, and we will be in our new heaven. I'm very excited about it. Quinn is ecstatic. She was telling me earlier today that her favorite part about doing this lifestyle with me is packing up and jumping on a new adventure. So I'm just like really honored. Wait, what?
Once we checked in and put our things down, the first thing we wanted to do was head outside and see what this place was really all about. Welcome everybody to the outdoor area of our apartment complex. It is such a cool area. There are tons of amenities. We're going to show you everything. But first, let's start off with the co-working space. So this co-working space is really cool and unique. First off, you walk in and there are so many different rooms. A place for everyone no matter what you're looking for. There's a nice little lounge area where you can just kind of chill out, hang out, relax in the nice AC. There's also another area where if you're ready to lock in, there are shared desks, there are seats for you to be able to charge your computer. If you're looking for a nice meeting area, there's a private room for that as well. It comes with really fast Wi-Fi. It's all air conditioned. It's a nice place to kind of just cool down, chill out. Every single room is decorated just a little bit differently, but all has that same modern aesthetic. And if you're not in the mood to work or chill and scroll on your phone, there's actually a pool table. So you can actually rent out the billiards room and have a nice private little game with you and your partner or a couple of your friends. In addition to this co-working space, there are lots of cool areas to be able to work outside as well. When we're sick of being inside and locked in the dark, this is our spot. We love this spot the most. It overlooks the pool. It's also always really nice and quiet up here. So again, it's a great spot for us to lock in on the computer, but still touch grass and be one with nature. All right, now we're entering the pool area. This is probably one of the biggest pools I've ever seen. It's definitely the biggest pool that I've ever had access to in a private setting from like an apartment standpoint. There are two pools actually. The one that we're walking around right now is the really super long pool. And then pool number 2 is an adults only pool, which we're gonna show you as well. It's always nice and quiet over there. The lily pad bridge, that's what I call this area, the lily pad bridge, which connects you. It's like a walking path loop all around the big long pool, and actually lots of residents here take an hour out of their day to just walk around the pool because honestly, it is a really long walk. Welcome to the adult pool. This is one of our favorite areas of the entire complex. It's a little bit smaller than the main pool, but still a very large pool. It's nice and quiet. In the evening, there's a waterfall that comes down, and there's a seating area where you can actually sit in the water. It's so nice. It's one of the most peaceful places to relax. Oftentimes, John and I, after working out at the gym, we love to come out here and just jump into the pool, cool down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the evening. But it's right next to the gym, and there's a rooftop area that we love to work at as well. So let's go show you that. This is the rooftop area. I love this space because it is right on top of the gym, overlooks the adult pool. Honestly, during the day, like right now, it is way too sunny and hot to actually want to be out here. But this spot is the perfect spot in the evenings for just a nice, quiet little outdoor time just to get away and relax the evening away. Welcome to the gym. We love this gym. We try to make it a point to come here every single day. We are still on our gym streak right now. This gym is fantastic. It's got everything you need. It's got tons of cardio equipment from running to biking and John's favorite, the elliptical. There are tons of free weights as well and stations for you to be able to have your own area. There are also lots of different machines for you to strengthen those muscles, baby. It's a really nice, clean facility, plenty of space. It's always cool. They also even give you free towels that you can use while you're working out. There are also locker rooms for men and women where you can actually store your stuff in a locker. Really nice facility. Love this spot. One of our favorite and most visited places in the entire complex every single day. All right, now follow me. Let's go to the big pool. Welcome to the big pool. As you can see, there is no one here and I absolutely love it. We love how big it is, but besides that, we also love the unique design of it. There are 3 different areas where you can actually walk in, stay dry, and still feel like you're immersed into the water of the pool. You can work from those little areas, you can have a nice private meeting, you can just chill and relax. But honestly, the most impressive thing about this pool is just how freaking long it is. It takes on average, Jonathan and I, about 2 minutes to swim from one side to the other, which is pretty long. I'm not saying we're like Olympic swimmers here, but we're not bad either. We're pretty athletic. John and I sometimes, if we're not feeling like we want to go to the gym, we'll just swim a few laps back and forth, walk around in the water and do some exercises in there. It's another great place to not only just relax, but also get your workout on if you're feeling that vibe too. It's almost like there are 3 sections of this pool. This first area is the lounge, hang out, relax kind of vibe. And then over here, there's this natural jungle organic area where there's tons of trees, plants, wildlife. This is the Zen area. This is my favorite chair in the entire pool area. It's like a hammock over water. My favorite time to hang out in this chair is usually during golden hour when the sun has gone down and we're just chilling out, relaxing, and getting ready to have a really great night. This part of the pool is the family-friendly section. There's a park where the kids can play outside of the pool. There's a kid pool area. Additionally, there's this other sun lounge area as well, which is in the shade. So if you're not looking for the sun exposure, there's a nice other side over here where you can just hang out and chill in the shade. One great amenity that this apartment comes with is a free shuttle ride every 30 minutes from here to the Udom-Sok BTS station. It picks us up here every 30 minutes and brings people back as well. It takes us 4 minutes to get to Udom-Sok BTS station with the shuttle, which is nice because it saves us a 15-minute walk in the hot sun. This is the key to be able to get into anywhere. This apartment complex is so locked down. It really is difficult to be able to get anywhere inside or outside without this card. But it is also a really nice peace of mind that security is on high alert. Now let's head upstairs and give you a tour of our apartment. Welcome, friends, to our second apartment here in Bangkok, Thailand. Come on in. All right, so this is the very first room that you walk into. When you walk into the door, you've got the kitchen to your right. Very nice upgraded utilities. Really nice microwave, great induction stove. I'm digging the brass look over here. We've got the pots, the pans. We've got just enough dishes for the 2 of us. We also have a nice washer here as well. Our fridge is nice and big, similar size to the last apartment that we had. All in all, this kitchen very much reminds me of our last apartment. I would say it's around the same size. It also has a nice bit of closet space here as well. There's more storage space just to the right of the refrigerator, just across from the sink. I think this is going to be a nice area where we'll be able to store our backpacks, all the various different things, because there's another closet in the bedroom, which I will show you in just a minute. Come on back here. We've got the living room / dining room / working station area. I'm digging this area very much. We've got a really nice big flat screen TV. This is a smart TV, so it comes with Netflix, YouTube, everything that you could ever want for and more. We've got a nice little love seat. I wouldn't necessarily call this a couch. I would definitely say it's a love seat for 2 lovebirds like John and I to be able to have romantic evenings watching a movie or a show together, which is very nice. And then underneath the TV, we've actually got even more storage space. Like, this is almost like more storage space than I actually need. It's kind of crazy. Then just over here, past the TV and the love seat, we've got a nice desk situation going on. I do like this this desk. It's very, very nice. And it does look like we've got little drawers in here so we can actually make this our proper working desk area. It does look like you can actually fold this down if you're not using it. So it allows you to actually get more space over here, which I do appreciate a modular designed small home. And that's kind of what this is reminding me of. The chairs are actually really, really freaking cool. They're very low though. For two tall, 6 foot plus people, this is gonna be a little bit uncomfortable, but I do understand not everyone's as tall as we are. We have brand new AC units. Appreciate those very much. Also, you know, we're gonna talk about the art right here. We've got some very interesting, very intriguing art. I'm not really sure what they're going for here, but it's mysterious. Maybe they're going after capitalism. I don't know, capitalism, consumerism, who knows? I'm digging it. I'm digging the style. Let's take you on out here. We actually have a balcony. We have a balcony patio in this apartment. We did not have this in our other one, so let's go check it out. Oh, cool. Okay, this is really cool. This is my first time seeing the balcony with you guys. We have a nice clothing rack to be able to dry our stuff on. It's really, really beautiful view. I mean, we're looking down on a huge pool. This pool is absolutely giant. It looks like it goes underneath another building. Like, this is huge. Really nice, very green overall. Now let's go in and check out the bedroom. Welcome to the bedroom. The master suite. It's actually really nice. It's interesting. The separation between the living room, dining room, kitchen area, and the bedroom, it is actually really nice. We're really used to staying in studio apartments. So this is one of the first in a long time that we've actually had separation between the bedroom and everything else. Let's do a bed test. Oh my goodness. Ho, 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 Johnny B. Johnny B. We're in for a treat. I have to say, the last bed that we had was very nice. This one's like freaking Tempur-Pedic right now. My body's melting into it. It's so nice. This is a 9.25 and it's huge. It's very, very big. This is a very big bedroom. The other nice thing is that there are nightstands on either side of the bed. It looks like we've got multiple plug outlets on both sides of the bed. Let me check. Yes. Oh yeah, we do. 2 plug outlets on either side of the bed with a nice nightstand. Now let's show you the closet. This is definitely one of the biggest closets that we've had in a long time. Look at this. Check this place out, boy. Look at that. There's so much storage space. And then you've got a full-on set of drawers, 2 sets of drawers right here. Now let's go check out the bathroom. Bathroom. This is where we shower. This is where we do things to clean ourselves. It's true. Very simple, spacious bathroom. There is no separation from the shower and the toilet and everything else like that. There's a curb right outside of the shower so that the water doesn't get everywhere else. Good shower head. Nice area to be able to keep all of our toiletries and stuff like that for the shower area. The counter space over here, the sink is nice and big. We got a nice, decent size mirror. This is like a pretty normal, traditional mirror. All in all, simple, gets the job done. Happy about it, that's for sure. All in all, this place is awesome. So the total price for this apartment for 1 month is $698.70. That's USD. Pretty good deal. If you have any questions about this spot, please feel free to reach out to us, shoot us a DM, leave a comment down below, let us know. We are here for you, and we really want to make sure that we can help you find your perfect place here in Bangkok, Thailand, or anywhere around the world that you find is your soul home.